Namaste. Let us continue with the 38th sloka in chapter 2. Sukha-duḥkhe same kṛtvā lābhālābhau jayājayau tato yuddhāya yujyasva naivaṁ pāpam avāpsyasi. Sukha-duḥkhe same kṛtvā lābhālābhau jayājayau tatah yuddhāya yujyasva naivaṁ pāpam avāpsyasi. Bhagavan in this sloka has explained the crux of karma yoga. So let us look at the meaning of the sloka and understand why karma yoga. Sukha-duḥkhe, sukham meaning happiness. Sukritani kadati iti sukham. When you have done good deeds, then you experience happiness or sukham. Dushkritani kadati iti dukkham. When we have done bad deeds, we experience sorrow. Happiness and sorrow are the result of our own deeds which were done before. So, sukha-duḥkhe, both in happiness and sorrow. Lābhālābhau, both in profit and loss. Jayājayau, both in victory and defeat. So Bhagavan is pointing out to situations that happen in our life, in times of happiness or sorrow, in times of profit or loss, in times of victory or defeat. How does Bhagavan expect us to be? Same kṛtvā, be equal. That is, not excited when something nice happens or not grieving when something sorrowful happens. This is the kind of mental attitude for karma yoga. So Bhagavan says, tatah yuddhāya yujyasva, go and fight. Basically, it is his dharma now to fight. If you do like that, naivaṁ pāpam avāpsyasi, then pāpam will not incur, is what Bhagavan is saying here. So karma yoga is doing our duty without any attachment or aversion, without any expectation of the results, and offering the same to God. Now the next question is, why karma yoga? We all know that the samsaram that we experience is because of ajnanam. Ajnanam is ignorance of our true nature. Then what is the solution? Jnanam is the solution. Jnanam is knowledge, knowledge of the self, knowledge of ourselves. So what is the method to obtain jnanam or knowledge? Shravanam, mananam, nididhyasanam. Shravanam is listening to the shastras through Guru. Mananam is contemplating upon it. Nididhyasanam is making it our own experience. Okay, where should this knowledge occur? It should occur in the mind. For Tato says, Manasaivedam maptavyam neha nanasti kinchana mrityo samrityam gacchati ya iha naneva pashyati. Manasa eva idam aptavyam. It has to be attained by the mind. The mind is a karanam or an instrument. The instrument that we use to cut a fruit, for instance, needs to be clean. Similarly, this mind needs to be clean to obtain knowledge. The purity of mind is called as chitta shuddhi. What it means is that it doesn't have any negative qualities like kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsaryam. Kama is desire, krodha is anger, lobha is greed, moha is delusion, mada is pride, and matsaryam is jealousy. Just as the algae in the lake covers everything that is below, similarly, these are dirts that cover the true knowledge of the self. Okay, now the next question will be, how do I attain purity of mind? And the answer is karma yogam. When someone does karma yogam for a long time without expectation, his mind becomes pure. So, karma yogam is an indirect cause for moksha, whereas knowledge or jnanam is the direct cause for moksha. To understand the direct cause and indirect cause, let us take an example. If I feel hunger, eating is the direct cause to remove hunger. But food needs to be ready for me to eat. What do? I need to go buy vegetables, I need to cook. These are all indirect causes. In Shastras, the word used is parampara karanam. So, jnanam is the sakshat karanam, whereas the other causes that aid this is called as parampara karanam. So, to summarize, Karma Yoga is doing actions which are our duties without any expectations of the results. And we offer the results of the action to God, Ishvararpanam. When karma is done in this way, the results of the karma phalam, does not attach to the doer. We'll continue again with the next sloka tomorrow. Dhanyavadaha.